Hey Wyatt, good to see you again. How are you today?
Hey, Jesse, I'm doing great. It's good to be back in the studio. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I love this weather. Listen to that rain outside. It's been falling all morning.
Yeah, it's got that calm, cozy vibe. Everything feels slower when it rains.
Exactly. The sound of rain always makes me want to relax and talk about simple things, little memories, quiet moments, warm drinks.
Same here. Rainy days are perfect for that. So today, let's just sit back, enjoy the sound of rain, and talk about what rainy days mean to us. The moods, the words, and maybe some stories too.
Perfect. Let's get started. Can you hear that? The sound of rain outside the studio window. I love it. It makes everything feel slower, calmer.
Yeah, it's really peaceful. I think rainy days have a special kind of energy. Everything feels quiet, like the world is taking a deep breath.
That's such a nice way to say it. The world taking a deep breath. Some people don't enjoy rain, though. They say it makes them feel sad or sleepy.
True, I used to feel that way too when I was younger. I'd wake up, see gray clouds, and think, oh no, another boring day, but now I kind of like it. It feels cozy.
Cozy is a good word here. It means warm, comfortable, and safe. Like when you stay at home with a blanket, maybe a cup of tea, and the rain tapping on the window.
Exactly. Cozy days are perfect for reading or watching movies. Actually, when I was a kid, rainy days meant one thing: no outdoor playtime. So I'd spend hours drawing or reading comic books.
Oh, that's sweet. I remember when it rained at school, we stayed inside the classroom during break time. The teacher would put on soft music and we'd play board games.
That's nice. It's funny how rain changes people's behavior. Everyone moves slower. You see people walking under umbrellas trying to stay dry, and cars making that shh sound on the wet roads.
Yeah, the sound of tires on wet roads. I love that. It's kind of hypnotic.
By the way, earlier you said boring day. Sometimes I tell my students that boring describes something that makes you feel tired or uninterested, but lazy means you just don't want to do anything.
Good point. So, if I say, rainy days make me lazy, it means I don't feel like working. But if I say, rainy days are boring, it means I think they're not interesting.
Exactly. They're different feelings. Lazy can even be nice sometimes, at like, I'm having a lazy Sunday. But boring is always negative.
Yeah, lazy can feel like resting, while boring feels like wasting time.
Right. See, even small word differences like that can change the feeling completely.
Speaking of rain, do you remember the last time you got caught without an umbrella?
Oh, yes, it was last month. I had gone out to get groceries and the sky looked clear. Then suddenly, boom, heavy rain. I ran under a tree, but it didn't help much. I was soaked.
Soaked? Good word. It means completely wet, right?
Yes, I looked like I'd just taken a shower with my clothes on. The funny part is, everyone around me was laughing and running too. We were all just trying to escape the rain.
That's a universal human moment, isn't it? Everyone running, holding bags over their heads, trying not to get wet.
Actually, do you know the word drizzle? It's my favorite type of rain.
Yes, drizzle means light rain, the kind that feels like mist.
Exactly. I like walking in a drizzle. You don't really get soaked, just a little wet, and it feels refreshing.
Same here. It's like the world is washing itself, but gently. Not too strong, just calm.
You know another word I love? petrichor.
Oh, yes. That's such a beautiful word. It means the smell of the earth after it rains.
Exactly. It's such a special smell. It's clean, fresh, a little bit earthy. I think it's one of those small things that make life nice.
Totally agree. You can't bottle that smell. It's natural magic.
Do you think rain changes people's emotions?
Definitely. Some people say it makes them sad. Others say it helps them think deeply.
For me, rain makes me feel nostalgic.
Nostalgic. That's when something reminds you of the past, right?
Yes, exactly. When I hear rain, I remember being at home as a kid, drinking hot chocolate and watching raindrops in the window. It feels comforting.
Yeah, I get that too. For me, it reminds me of reading days. My mom used to say, if it's raining, read something. And I still do that today.
That's a good habit. I also like to write when it rains. I feel like my thoughts are clearer. The sound of rain helps me focus.
That's interesting. Maybe because it blocks out other noises. It's like white noise.
Right. White noise means background sound that helps you relax or concentrate. The rain becomes a kind of rhythm.
Exactly. You know what's funny? Some people find it hard to sleep without rain sounds. They even play rain sleep videos online.
Yes, the sound of rain helps your brain calm down. It's amazing how nature can affect us like that.
I was just thinking, do you remember that idiom? It's raining cats and dogs.
People still ask me what that means,
Yes, that's a classic one. It means raining very heavily.
but it's such a strange image. Cats and dogs falling from the sky.
Ha 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 ha. Yeah. I usually tell my students it's better to just say, it's pouring or it's raining heavily. Those sound more natural today.
Exactly. It's raining cats and dogs is old fashioned now. It's fun, but not common in real life.
If you say, it's pouring, that's something everyone uses.
Or even, it's coming down hard. That sounds natural too.
Right. And when it stops, you can say, it's clearing up.
Simple phrases like that make conversation smooth.
Yes, I think it's one of the easiest ways to start small talk in English.
Like, wow, it's pouring today. Or, looks like the rain's finally letting up.
Everyone can reply to that, even if they're shy.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is safe, easy, and polite. That's why English speakers use it so much.
Do you ever notice how rain changes the colors of everything outside?
Oh, yes. The trees look greener, the streets shine, even the air feels cleaner. It's like everything resets.
That's true. And after the rain, the air smells fresh and new.
Sometimes when the sun comes out, there's a rainbow.
Yeah, I love that moment. It's like the world saying, good job for waiting.
Actually, that reminds me of another idiom. After the rain comes the rainbow.
It means that after hard times, good things happen.
That's a nice thought. Rain is kind of symbolic that way. It feels like sadness, but it also brings growth.
Yes, rain helps everything grow plants, trees, crops. So even though it's dark for a while, it's also a beginning.
That's beautiful. Maybe that's why so many songs and poems talk about rain. It's emotional and real.
Exactly. I think that's why people love rainy day playlists. The music feels deeper when it's raining outside.
True, even coffee tastes better on rainy days.
Ha ha ha, yes, coffee and rain. perfect combination.
Hey, by the way, have you ever said I'm under the weather to mean sick?
Yes, that's another weather expression, but it doesn't mean it's raining.
Under the weather means you're not feeling well.
Right. Like, I didn't go to work because I was under the weather.
It's a nice way to say you're a little sick without giving details.
Exactly. It's polite and common.
I love how English uses nature in so many idioms, like stormy mood for anger or calm before the storm, for quiet before something big happens.
Yes. Calm before the storm is perfect. Like when the house is quiet before a big family argument or before an exam.
Ha ha, yes. And then everything explodes.
But seriously, it's amazing how weather words can describe emotions too.
Totally. You can even say, my mind feels cloudy when you can't think clearly.
That's a great one. Or a ray of sunshine for someone who brings happiness.
Right. Weather expressions are everywhere once you start noticing them.
You know, I think rain teaches patience.
When it rains, you can't control it. You just have to wait.
Maybe that's why people slow down.
I like that. Yeah, it's like a reminder that not everything can be fast.
In a way, it's good for mental health to just stop and listen.
Exactly. It's almost like meditation.
I sometimes sit near the window and watch the drops hit the glass. It's so peaceful.
I do the same thing, and I notice the patterns. Some drops race each other down the glass. It's funny how simple things become interesting when you're not rushing.
That's true. It's kind of like language learning, actually. You can't rush it. You learn a little every day, like drops of rain filling a bucket.
That's such a good comparison. Yeah, progress builds slowly.
You don't notice it at first, but after a while, you realize how much you've learned.
Exactly. And just like rain helps plants grow, time and patience help your skills grow.
Beautifully said.
You know, sometimes when it rains, I feel like writing, but I make silly grammar mistakes when I'm sleepy.
That's normal. Everyone does. What kind of mistakes?
Well, last week I wrote, the rain make me happy instead of makes me happy. I forgot the apostrophe.
Ah, yes. Rain is singular, so it needs makes. It's funny how even teachers forget sometimes.
Ha ha, ha, true. What about you? Any small mistakes lately?
Yeah, I said, the road are wet instead of the roads are wet.
I forgot the plural. My friend corrected me right away.
See, that's why conversation is so helpful. You catch small things and learn from them.
Exactly. And when you correct someone gently, it never feels bad. It feels helpful.
Yes, correction done kindly builds confidence.
Totally agree.
You know what? The rain outside is slowing down. I can hear it changing. It's lighter now.
Yeah, I hear it too. That's drizzle now, not heavy rain.
Drizzle has such a soft sound. It's like the world is whispering.
That's a beautiful image. You should write that down. The world is whispering.
Maybe I will. Rain always makes me want to write poetry.
Same. It brings out the quiet side of people, I think.
Even the city sounds different when it rains. More distant, more gentle.
Yes, like everything's behind a soft curtain.
Exactly. It's amazing how one type of weather can change everything. The light, the sounds, even how people talk.
That's true. And maybe that's why conversations on rainy days always feel deeper.
Yeah, maybe that's why we're talking about life instead of just the weather.
You know, I think rainy days remind us to slow down and appreciate simple things.
Yeah, like warmth, quiet, and company.
It's funny, like, yeah, the rain can make you feel alone, but also connected at the same time.
That's true. Maybe because everyone's sharing the same weather.
Like the whole city is under one big gray blanket.
That's such a nice way to describe it. One big blanket over everyone.
And when the sun comes back, everyone wakes up again.
Yeah, the city starts moving faster. People come outside, and you can almost feel the world smiling again.
It's like the calm after the storm.
Exactly. Every storm ends, and something beautiful follows.
You know what I love most about these talks? We start with a simple topic, like rain, and end up talking about life. Yeah, that's what good conversations do.
Rain brings people together in studios, in coffee shops, in cars, even in memories.
And it teaches us something every time: to wait, to listen, to be patient,
To find comfort in small things.
like a warm drink, a soft chair, or a quiet friend talking beside you while it rains.
That's exactly what we're doing right now.
Ha ha, yeah, we're living the lesson.
I like that. Maybe that's how life works. Small drops that make a big difference.
Beautifully said. Small drops make rivers, and rivers make oceans.
And words make connections, just like rain connects the sky to the ground.
That's poetic. You're really in the rainy day mood.
I am, and I think we've had a beautiful talk.
Agreed. Rain always brings good conversations.
And good coffee.
Always good coffee.